This is the homework for lesson number 9 of the GPS homework or GPS classes that Paul has on YouTube for the Pico Raspberry Pi PicoW. Now, the last lesson, lesson 9, he showed us how to set up the display. I'd already had mine working, but I liked his better. So I went ahead and used his. Now, if you look at the picture, you could see where I have the I changed the title to from Ultimate GPS to time. In this case, it's 13:57:08, I think. Yeah, 06. It's hard to see on the display, but you can see all the stuff that's being displayed here. I have this running on my whatever that thing's called, the breadbolt, so that I can deal with this and that and not have to worry about it not running. Okay, so let me walk you through what I did for the software. As far as everything goes, this is all Paul's software except for I added the hours, minutes, and seconds up here for just to define them. If you go down into the parse GPS down here, yeah, I needed that, didn't I? I was messing around with it. Get that. Okay. I got down here and I went ahead and added time equals NEMA name, and the address for the time is the first or number 1. The second, it's actually the second one because the first one is the GPGGA, and the second one, which is 1, will be the time. So down here, I take what's time, I break it up into hours. Hours equals integer of time, and that happens to be first 2 sections of the first 2 digits, and 0 and 1, but 2 isn't actually included in this. So, and at this point here, I subtract 7 hours because of my location in Tucson. Okay, and if the hours gets greater than 24, well, then obviously that's not real. And then you take hours equals hours minus 24, so that it gets greater than 24 and be 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 o'clock in the morning or so. Okay, then we have minutes in integer of time, and I put in, this is the second bit, goes to the 4th bit, which doesn't include 4, but includes 3. All right, and then down here, it is seconds, it's 4 and 6. Then I print down in the shell what happens there. Okay, what I did was take out the GPS, Ultimate GPS, because I didn't think I'd be able to get enough room to add another line down here. So I took the GPS, took it out, and I added this time, the percent O2D, semicolon or colon, percent O2D again, percent O2D. What that means is it's an integer padded with 2 zeros or 2 digits. And if you go down here, then those integers relate to this, which is percent, hours, minutes, and seconds. This is a hours, minutes, and seconds tuple. And then I put the address. And it took me a while. I had to mess around with this thing trying to get the right way to display it. I found this way. It works really well. So If you look at the display, you can see that I've got what right now it's 14 hours, 1 minute, and 17 seconds. And that's my homework. I appreciate you doing these, Paul. And we will see you on Tuesday, or I should say Thursday, because our Arduino will be coming up on Thursday. So thanks and bye.